Meaning of First Amendment.
First Amendment.
First Amendment.
First Amendment.
First Amendment. The First Amendment is a part of the United States Constitution that guarantees citizens freedom of religion, freedom of speech, freedom of the press, freedom to peaceably assemble, and the right to petition the government for a redress of grievances. It was adopted in 1791 and has been a cornerstone of American democracy ever since. The result of the First Amendment is that individuals are free to express their opinions, beliefs, and ideas without fear of government retribution, allowing for a thriving marketplace of ideas and open dialogue in the United States.